a residence in Isenbüttel near Braunschweig, is designed to blend in with its surroundings through its size, silhouette, and harmonious color scheme. However, the house stands out with its minimalist design and large openings on the facade that give it a distinctive character. Respecting local building traditions such as farms and stables, the house uses a wooden structure with a pitched roof. The side facing the street is designed to be closed to maintain privacy, with the main focus being on the spacious interior and the garden. The projecting roof serves to provide additional light to the living area and allows good air circulation in summer through a chimney effect. The layout of the house makes use of a central core containing the bathroom, kitchen, and stairs to the upper floor to divide the living area efficiently. Sliding doors allow for the separation of spaces without the need for additional hallways. The living room, open kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom are designed to face the garden, providing a wide and open view. On the upper floor, there is a guest room that gets natural light from the gable roof, complete with its own bathroom. The local larch cladding on the vertical walls continues onto the roof with a vertical seam of zinc, creating harmony in the use of materials and colors. The interior of the house emphasizes natural materials, including birch for the furniture and stairs, plastered clay walls, polished floors, and aluminum elements in the kitchen. The construction of the house involved the client's family directly, with a major contribution from their daughter, Annie, who played a role in overseeing the project.